Welcome to our channel. If you want to enhance your text-to-speech (TTS) experience with new voices, you're in the right place. Whether you need a new voice for accessibility, content creation, or personal projects, we'll show you how to download additional text-to-speech voices for both Android and iOS devices. Let's get started. 1. Download text-to-speech voices on Android. On Android, you can easily download new voices through the device's settings. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to your Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Navigate to Language and Input. Scroll down and tap on System or Additional Settings, depending on your device. Find and tap on Language and Input or Languages and Input. Step 3. Select Text-to-Speech Output. Under Text-to-Speech Output, select Google Text-to-Speech Engine. This may vary slightly if you're using a different TTS engine. Step 4. Download new voices. Tap on Settings or Voice Settings, usually under the Google Text-to-Speech option. In the Language section, you can choose from various languages and accents. Tap on Install Voice Data or Download Voices. Select the voices you want to add, e.g., different languages, accents, or male/female voices. Tap Download to install the voice data for your chosen voice. Once the download is complete, the new voices will be available for you to use in apps that support TTS, including Google Assistant, Android Accessibility, and other apps that use TTS features. 2. Download text-to-speech voices on iPhone, iOS. On iOS, you can download new voices directly through the Settings app as well. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Navigate to Accessibility. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Step 3. Go to Spoken Content. Under the Vision section, select Spoken Content. Step 4. Select Voices. Tap on Voices under the Spoken Content section. You'll see a list of available voices and languages. Step 5. Download new voices. Tap on any voice you want to download. You'll see options for different dialects, gender choices, and accents. Tap Download. You may need to be connected to Wi-Fi to download the voice. Once downloaded, the new voices will appear in your list, and you can select your preferred voice. 3. Downloading third-party text-to-speech voices. If you're looking for more advanced or varied TTS voices, third-party TTS apps can provide a wider selection. Some popular options include Voice Dream Reader, iOS/Android, Natural Reader, iOS/Android, Acapella TTS Voices, iOS/Android, Speechify, iOS/Android. These apps usually offer a range of voices and languages, some of which can be downloaded directly from their settings. For example, in Voice Dream Reader, open the app and go to Settings. Select Voice Settings and choose Download New Voices. Pick from the available voices. Many premium options are paid. 4. Adjusting TTS settings. After downloading your voices, you might want to adjust their speed, pitch, and volume. Here's how. For Android, go back to the text-to-speech settings in your Language and Input section. You can adjust the speech rate, how fast the voice speaks, and pitch, how high or low the voice sounds. For iPhone, after selecting your voice, you can adjust the speaking rate in the Spoken Content settings. This controls the speed of the speech. 5. Using downloaded voices in apps. After downloading your new voices, they can be used in various apps that support TTS. Here are some examples. Google Assistant. You can change the voice by going into Google Assistant Settings, Assistant Voice. Accessibility features. If you use features like Speak Selection or VoiceOver, you can choose from the voices you've downloaded. E-readers. Apps like Voice Dream Reader, Speechify, or Kindle use TTS voices for reading aloud.